All right, folks, this is first video opening up a brand new blaster box from Walmart. Upper Deck MVP 2021 22 hockey. Looking for Cole Caufield, Trevor Zegras. There's some other neat inserts. As you can see, the gritty insert card for the mascots. They're kind of a neat little insert set. There's a sparkle variation of those that are fairly rare. I think the gritty sparkle sells for around 20 bucks. So anyways, let's give it a shot and see what we can find out of this box. I've opened a couple of these already. Didn't do any videos, but this is my first effort making a break video. Let's see how it goes, and hopefully we'll do many more. Alrighty. All right, pack number one. As you can see what the base looks like. There's a Blake Wheeler, PK Subban, Tarasenko, Taves, Verhage, and there's the Ice Battles insert. They're in a neat little parallel, but as you can see on the back, the ratings are arbitrary at best. I don't know if I agree with them, but you know, Marc-Andre Fleury was one that I got the other day, and the rating was super low. Doesn't make any sense at all. But they're trying something new, so that's okay. So as you can see, more base. Quentin Byfield Ice Battles rookie card, so that's kind of cool. So we'll set that aside. Don't mind pulling some rookies. And a Leon Draisaitl Heart Attack, as you can see. Very shiny, sparkly, kind of a neat little insert. Don't mind those too much either. Again, really looking for Cole Caufield personally. Big Habs fan, so that'd be nice. Suzuki, that's cool. And there's one of the mascot cards first up. So we got Blades the Bruin mascot card. Kind of neat. First time I think I've seen mascot cards in the hockey card packs, so it's not a bad idea. And we got Kevin LeBlanc, Clayton Keller, Ice Battles, SP Steve Stamkos, and oh yeah, there's the sparkles. So we got Howler Coyote. And if you can see the sparkle that much, just a neat little variation of the base cards. Braden Shen, Jeff Petrie, Couturier. Not much in that pack. Connor, Erickson, Scheifele SP. Not much there either. Kind of power through a lot of the base cards. I'm sure you've seen them a lot. And there's the MVP watch inserts, which are kind of cool. A little take back to about 20 years ago from the MVP design, but Brady Tkachuk in that. Oh yeah, there it is right there, boys. Cole Caufield rookie card. I cannot complain about that at all. That's awesome. Love it. And then a little Shea Weber gold script to boot. So the gold scripts are about one per every blaster box. Not serial numbered, but they're a very cool card anyways. Never a bad thing to pull a Canadiens player. Double whammy with the Cole Caufield. And Rasmus Kupari silver script rookie. Not terrible. It's all right. All the rookies inside the packs are holdovers from last year, so late additions like Caufield, who played like 10 games for the Canadians at the end of the season, plus playoffs. Gabe Velarde from Kingston, Ontario. Not cool. So not bad, I should say. I live in Napanee, which is right near Kingston. Double whammy, Shea Weber. Victor Olofsson, silver script. Fowler. Josh Anderson. Oh, nice. Jeremy Swayman, rookie ice battles. That's cool. Not bad at all. A couple of really good rookies in this box. And there's the before and after. So it's, again, that sparkle kind of design. Same as the mascot sparkle. But kind of a neat card. Before game and after game. Or during the game, I guess. But neat. Kind of a loaded box so far, really, for those two rookies. Atkinson, Breakout SP, Ice Battles Patterson, Strong, Oshie, Tavares, Wyatt Kalynuk. I've not actually heard of him. And Philip Deneau, now with the LA Kings. Pizza Man from last year in the playoffs. Really enjoyed watching his progression through the playoffs. And dominance in the face-off circle was really fun to watch. Pacioretty, former Canadian Taylor Hall from Kingston. That's it. So there you go. So there's the probably three best ones there. Quentin Byfield, the Cole Caufield, massive, and the Jeremy Swayman, who's had a pretty good run with the Bruins. So there you go. There you have it. I'm going to post more videos down the road, but definitely can't complain about that box. It wasn't too bad. $31.92 at Walmart. I think they're $30 at Toys R Us. So if you like that, like this video, like and subscribe. Have a good one.